Okay, so we've got a definition of the centre of a group Z of G equals the centre. G is in Z of G if and only if xg equals gx for all x in the group. And we know that it's a subgroup. It's obvious, but I really ought to say it, that Z of G is abelian. Of course it is, because it commutes past everything in the group, including itself. So that's kind of obvious. The size of Z of G is a measure of the abelianness of G, and I'm putting that in scare quotes because it's not really defined, the abelianness. It's not even a word, I don't think. In the sense that if a Z of G is small, then G is not commutative, or not very commutative. And if ZG is big, then G is quite commutative. So I'm using quite intuitive language here. I just want you to understand that the centre of the group is a measure of how commutative it is. And if Z of G is the whole group, then it's completely commutative. If Z of G is small, then it's not at all commutative. But it can give you an idea of how commutative G actually is. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I'll give you some examples next.